Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I have got some very important and exciting news for the businesses and the professional in the UAE regarding the corporate tax registration. The Federal Tax Authority has just launched a new initiative to waive administrative penalties for the businesses that were late in submitting their corporate tax registration. This is a major relief and a great opportunity for those missed the deadline. Who can benefit? This waiver applied to businesses that have already been fined for the late registrations but haven't paid yet. Businesses that were fined and paid but still haven't filed their first corporate tax return. Businesses that were fined, paid and submitted their return on time. Even those who haven't registered at all yet. Key conditions for the waiver. But here is the catch. To qualify this waiver, you must submit your tax return or annual declarations within the 7 months from the end of your first tax period. That's the golden rule. Discuss and explain the waiver scenarios, and it can be broken down into the 5 common scenarios. Scenario 1. You register late and got a penalties but haven't paid it yet. Submit your tax return within the 7 month, penalty will be waived. Scenario 2. You register late, got a penalties, haven't paid and haven't submitted your return yet. Submit your tax return within the 7 month, penalty will be waived. Discuss scenario 4. You registered late, paid the penalties and submitted your return within the 7 month. You will be get a refund to your tax account. Scenario 5. You haven't registered at all. Complete your registrations and file your return within the 7th month. No penalty will be charged. How to take actions? To benefit from this initiative, just log into the EmaraTax portal and complete your registrations and filing. It's that simple. Don't miss the deadline. This is the limited time opportunity, so act fast. Check when your first tax period ended and make sure to register and file within the 7 months. If this video helped clarify things, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more update on UAE taxes, businesses tips and financial planning. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below.